LinkedIn Ads reports. Reports are going to be an important feature in the account, which we can make use for data analysis. So let's have a look at it, guys, how we can make use of it. So once you log into your LinkedIn Ads account, we can go ahead and have a look at specifically the performance chart, which we get to see over here. The performance chart will show you metrics, data about how the campaigns are doing for a particular time period. You can go ahead and change the view as well from performance to demographics. You can also choose the different metrics for which you would like to see the data for. LinkedIn also gives you an option wherein you can go ahead and change the date range as well out here to see data for different time period. So this will be one of the charts which we can make use of to understand how the campaigns are performing. Apart from this, we also get demographics data, so wherein we can see how the data is for the campaigns, specifically in the demographic segment. So we'll get to see impressions, clicks, average CTR information out here. You can also go ahead and change the display and use other options as well to see demographics for other segments. In this manner, we can see two different types of reports out here. In addition to this, LinkedIn also provides you an export report wherein we can download reports of different performance data. For example, we can choose campaign performance, ad performance, audience network, and these are all the various types of reports which you can download from here. For example, if you look at campaign performance, in campaign performance, LinkedIn will give you information about a breakdown given to you by day, month, and all time as well. So you can select that and you can export it. Okay. You can also choose to see data for these specific column views if you want to have. You can choose those and you can see data for that as well. So in this manner, we are able to do a lot of data analysis from the reports feature which LinkedIn provides in their account. I hope this makes sense, and now you understand how you will be able to analyze your LinkedIn Ads account data with the help of reports. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today. Have a great day, guys.